Optimizely Analytics Review Watch before using. If you run a website or digital business, understanding your user behavior is critical. Most people get this wrong. They rely on basic metrics like page views without seeing the full picture. Optimizely Analytics promises detailed insights and /B testing tools, but is it worth the investment? Optimizely is a platform that combines analytics with experimentation. You can track user interactions, conversion rates, and engagement metrics while running controlled tests to optimize website performance. The surprising truth is that businesses using Optimizely can increase conversion rates by double digits simply by testing different headlines, layouts, or calls to action. Here's how it works. You implement a small snippet of code on your website, which tracks user actions and segments visitors for testing. For example, you might test 2 versions of the checkout page to see which drives more completed purchases. The platform provides real-time results and statistical confidence scores so you can make informed decisions. Another major benefit is personalization. Optimizely allows you to deliver tailored content to specific audience segments, like showing different promotions to first-time visitors versus returning customers. This can significantly increase engagement and revenue without additional advertising spend. However, there are limitations. Small businesses may find the learning curve steep, and costs can rise as you scale experiments or traffic. Most people assume all features are immediately intuitive, but a small training period is often necessary to fully leverage the platform. In conclusion, Optimizely Analytics is a powerful tool for businesses serious about conversion optimization and data-driven decisions. If you want actionable insights and better website performance, it's worth exploring. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of analytics and marketing tools.